Okay, the food bowl. The food bowl is one of our best opportunities to work with a puppy. Hi, baby. There you go. You good boy. Good boy. Now Tazzy likes, come Tazzy. Good boy, he's saving his. And the more hand feeding you do, the more gentle they're going to be with taking food. Here you go, come. Oh, good boy. It's more fun to eat it out of a bowl or eat it out of a spice container, or a Gatorade bottle, or a real fun one is a milk jug. A gallon milk jug is really difficult to shake them out, and they do the recycling for you. By the time they're done, the bottle has been smashed. Keep an eye on them though. You don't want them eating the plastic. Have a great day.
Wave. Mug
Hi, sweetheart. Oh, I miss seeing you.